Samantala, ibinabana ng Ontario ang screening age para sa colorectal cancer sa edad na 45. Sa ulat ni Kisha Balatbat, ang isang Filipino cancer survivor, ikinatuwa ang pagbabago.
Binaba ng Ontario government kamakailan ang eligibility para sa colorectal cancer screening sa probinsya. Mula 50 taong gulang, maaari na rin gawin ito ng mga edad 45 pataas, isang panawagang itinulak ng ilang advocates halos isang taon nang nakararaan.
We started filming actually with the advertisement for TV in June. Then we had it full blast in August. And then I started campaigning through my campaign with the public, like whenever I volunteer. That's what it happened.
Maaaring sumailalim sa screening sa edad na 40 ang mga residente ng Ontario na itinuturing na may increased risk ng sakit. Ilang kampanya ang isinagawa ng Filipino cancer survivor at advocate na si Gemma Lachica, na kilala para sa kanyang Gemma Loves Blue campaigns. Sa kanyang advokasya, ipinapaalam niya sa publiko ang mga sintomas ng colorectal cancer at nananawagan sa mga politiko na babaan ang screening age. Kaya ikinatuwa niya ang balita noong Marso nang maging unang probinsya sa Canada ang Prince Edward Island na magbaba nito.
Colorectal Cancer Canada and advocates like me, we really work hard for it, for a policy change. So we are so glad that PEI and Ontario made the move to make this as a need for all Canadians.
Aniya, magandang simula ito, pero inaasahan niya raw na hindi titigil dito ang tugon sa sakit.
As of now, that's a good thing that they lower down 45 because US has 45, Australia has 45. So why not Canada have it at 45? So that's the thing. But if we could lower that, that's even better. Research shows that younger people are dying and being diagnosed with colorectal cancer. So we don't want the future generation to die from it by not doing anything.
Malaking tulong din daw kung maipatutupad ito sa mas marami pang probinsya.
I hope the whole country would recognize this. It's not only PEI and Ontario. It has to be all the provinces of Canada. Because if we want to save the future generation, then we should do this as early as now. Yun ang message namin ngayon.
Magsisimula ang bagong patakaran sa Ontario sa umpisa ng Hulyo. Kisha Balatbat, Omni News, Toronto.